Do you know you can earn up to 200,000 naira in a month as a student in Nigeria doing any of these online businesses? Pay attention to every bit of information in this video to know how. Hello and welcome to my channel, your #1 insight and educating channel for deliberate and outstanding ladies. 2024 is upon us and I am sure many of us have got a lot of resolution for the year. However, every plan you have made will not be complete if the money factor is not included. That is why in this short video I have brought to you a very interesting answer to the questions many Nigerian female students and fresh graduates have been asking. Question like, how do I make money in 2024? What kind of job can I do to earn passive income without having to leave school or doing something hard? In this exciting video, I have come up with 5 different online businesses you can actually do in year 2024 and earn massive income passively. The good thing is that none of this business will affect your studies. If you are looking to make some extra cash or start a thriving business as a graduate, these opportunities can help you achieve your goals. So get ready to dive into the world of entrepreneurship and start turning your skills and passion into profitable online business. Sit comfortably and watch this video as I unveil the top secrets no one has ever shared with you about making money online. The number 5 on the list is visual assistance. As a visual assistant, you can remotely work from anywhere with an internet connection. This allows you to have a flexibility in your schedule with ability to work with clients worldwide. Some of the visual assistance platforms in Nigeria are Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. By being a visual assistant in Nigeria, you can start to gain numerous advantages, including low cost of transport associated to going out, going in, going to the office, flexible work hour, which means you can choose when to work and not when to work. Also, there is increased productivity due to less stress that comes with dealing with traffic congestions, especially for those schooling in somewhere like Lagos State. Listen to me. One of the reasons you should consider this online business is that, according to research, you can make up to 125,000 naira to 300,000 naira in a month. Isn't that interesting? The number 4 on the list is digital marketing. I know some of you have this discontent with this aspect, but I want to tell you that if you do it right, you can earn extremely well as a digital marketer. All you need to do is to follow the details. For those of you who do not know what digital marketing is all about, digital marketing is a form of marketing that involves the use of digital technologies such as the internet, the social media platform, the search engine, and mobile devices to promote products or services. It has become important in recent years due to the rise of online shopping and the growing number of people using digital devices. This is why you have to be involved in it too. You may require taking online courses or attending workshops on topics such as SEO, search engine optimization, social media advertising, and email marketing. This course can be got for almost free as low as 3,000 naira or 5,000 naira on Alison or Udemy. Sign up on this platform for free and enroll for the course. Once you have made a solid foundation in digital marketing, you can begin to build your business by developing a website and promoting your services through social media channels like LinkedIn or Facebook group. You may also want to consider partnering with other businesses or freelancers who offer complementary services in web design or copywriting. If you take this digital marketing strategy and venture into it, you can earn up to 150,000 naira per month based on a verified research. The number 3 on the list is affiliate marketing. I know many of you have heard about affiliate marketing, but because of money attached to it, you postpone your opportunity to get on with it. Listen to me. Don't make the same mistake you made last year this year again. As an athlete, your job is to promote the product through various channels such as social media, email marketing, content creating, advertising, and so on. As a student in Nigeria, there are a number of easy to access affiliate programs you can do where you can earn passive income. One of them is the Jumia Affiliate Program. It is one of the most reputable affiliate programs in Nigeria with a commission rate of up to 11%. They have over 100,000 products on their website. Also, affiliates have access to a wide range of products to promote across different categories such as electronics, fashion, home appliances, and grocery. Konga Affiliate Program is another profitable platform you can have access to as an affiliate. They also offer an impressive commission rate up to 9% for every sales through their referral link. Affiliates can promote various products including books, electronics, fashion, home appliances, and others. We have PayPal Affiliate Program. This is another affiliate program that offers affiliates up to 50% commission on every sales made through their unique referral link. PayPal is the largest paying among these three. To start an affiliate marketing business in Nigeria, you first need to get a niche that aligns with your own passions and interests. This will make it easier for you to create content around the product or services you are promoting. Next, you need to find a reputable affiliate network such as Jumia Affiliate Program, Konga Affiliate Program, Amazon Associate Program, etc. that offer products or services within your choosing niche. You can then sign up as an affiliate marketer and start promoting this product using various channels such as social media platform, blogs, YouTube, email marketing, and so on. To succeed in affiliate marketing in Nigeria, it is very important to focus on building trust within your audience by providing valuable content and being transparent about the product and service you are promoting. Additionally, keep track of your performance metric such as click-through rate, CTR, conversion rate, CR, edit per click, EPC, so that you can optimize your strategies accordingly. Thank you for watching this video until this very section. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do that now. Click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification button so YouTube can notify you whenever I post a new video. Number 2 on the list is online tutoring. Online tutoring is a new trend in education that has been gaining popularity among students around the world. It is a visual class where teachers and students can interact with each other in a real time using video conference. This is the types of classroom that allows for more flexible scheduling and personalized attention to each student's needs. Online tutoring has many advantages over traditional classroom. Learning online tutoring has become increasingly popular in Nigeria, especially since the outbreak of COVID-19, with many students unable to attend their physical classes. Online tutoring platform has become more preferred alternative for both parents and students. Some of these most popular online tutoring platforms you can sign up in Nigeria include PepClass, Tutoria, Superproof, and Pass.ng. Create an account with them, register as a tutor, and start earning by teaching what you know. I try to check how much an online tutor is liable to earn by teaching online. At the end of the month, then I stumbled into this site called Pascale, which broke the earning into pieces. According to Pascale, you can earn an average of 2,000 naira per hour on just one student. So imagine you have up to 3 or 4 students whose parents have agreed you have 3 to 4 hours with them per week. That is approximately 48,000 naira in a month for a child in just 1 month, and 144,000 naira for 3 students within just 1 month. The number one on the list is social media management. This is another one of the best online business for students in Nigeria. Is managing social accounts. As a social media manager, you will help people to handle all aspects of their complaints or individual social media presence. This encompasses a range of activities including creating and publishing content, engaging with followers and fans, monitoring feedback. It involves developing strategy for promoting the brand or individual across social media channels. As taxing as this sound, it can fetch you more 6 digits in a month. That is, if you know your onions. If you wish to know more on how to become a professional social media manager, check the description below to see the link to the free course on this. I hope you enjoyed this video and have been able to think beyond your scope. Let me know what you think about any of these online businesses and drop your own comments in the comment section. And if there is anything you would like to ask me, you can also do well to notify me in the comment section too. If you have not joined the train yet, do well to do that now. Like this video, click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so YouTube can notify you whenever I post a new video. Until I come your way again with another inspiring video, don't forget to stay safe and stay conscious.